Kia ora whānau. Well, just ran out of gas in my waka, and yeah, because let the cuzzies borrow it. Let my cuzzies borrow my car, you know, drive it around, fresh, and hello. Left me with knock the gas, my mouldy. So I had to go drive to my uncle's, my nan's house, and oh hello. Put, run out of the gas. Oh, frickin' hell. I was gonna say, but yeah. Then sorry, finally, to release my stress, I had to get my hikarete, but I snapped it. So the good old cable tie that I found on the floor, fixed that up. Yee! Because I got knocked the papers, so I had to use the cable tie. But yeah, it's working a treat. Jaja, whānau, life struggles.